Hi everyone. It's this time of year when it's getting colder outside. It's fall, near Christmas, and we're starting the season of Fireplace. This is our fireplace. We got it with the home. It's original to the home, about 40 years old, wood burning, and we burn it every season, and now it's the time to do it. First time when we did it, the glass door got pretty smoky to the point when it wasn't transparent. So we realized we're doing something wrong. So we started researching and realized there is a way to burn the fires so that the door doesn't get too much smoke. Let's start. We have the firewood here. It's dry because it's been here for the whole summer. So it's dry and should start pretty quickly. So we're starting with the big logs at the bottom. And we're putting it in a way so there's space between the logs. We need air to circulate. So the idea is to put the bigger logs at the bottom, and then the paper and smaller pieces of wood on the top. And you would start the fire at the top of the pile, not at the bottom. This will give you the ability to the airflow to start and to heat up the draft before the wood starts. So the smaller pieces go on top. So the thing to remember, your chimney is full of cold air right now. So in order for it to move up, we take the piece of like newspaper, light it up, and hold it a little bit right at the chimney entrance, so that the hot air would flow up and replace the cold one.
And now?
Now we're lighting up the small pieces and the paper. And you can see there's very little smoke. The smoke is all going up to the chimney. Very good draft. So wait a little bit until the hot air replaces the cold air in the chimney, and then you can close the door. Let the fire start for a few seconds. Very good draft. And now try and close the door. Hopefully the cold air is pushed out. It will calm down a little bit because the air is not coming in so much, but it's still burning. There's no smoke. We put about 7 logs for now. It will take about a couple hours to burn, and we'll be back in about an hour to check on the fire and the glass door. It should still be pretty clean. We'll see how that goes. It's been about an hour and the fire is burning really well. The glass you can see is still clear, and now the fan started. I can feel the hot air is coming out of right here from this gap. The benefit of this method is that the fire is burning not too quickly. There's not too much air coming in, but it's burning right at the pace that allows the logs to burn down to ashes. That's a good thing, and it gives you like consistent, steady heat. So we'll put more logs, and when they all burn down, we'll be back and show how the glass looks like. Okay, it's been more than 2 hours. The wood has burned almost completely. It's still burning slightly. You can see the glass is pretty clear. It's still clean. And we're gonna show from the inner side. It looks like this. So again, this method of burning from the top of the pile makes it the wood burning steady, giving you steady, comfortable heat instead of just burning quickly. And this method doesn't give you much smoke, so which is good for the fireplace. We're gonna add more logs and we'll continue burning, but just to show you, we tried cleaning it with a paper towel. It's a little bit dirty, but there's almost nothing. So stay tuned. If you have any questions about how to start the fireplace, the wood burning fireplace, give us a comment or stay tuned otherwise.